Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. To get started, you want to hold your power button, and once you have boot options visible, hold power off. There we go. As you can see, it brings up this window, reboot to safe mode. We're going to confirm it by selecting OK. And like I said, this will reboot the device, or as the message would state. Now, when the device boots back up, it automatically boots into safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now, this is done for troubleshoot purposes, so if you don't have any kind of problems with your device, there is almost zero incentive to boot into this mode, as it does limit the usability of it quite significantly. You can see we have the marking right here, safe mode, and once the device loads up, there we go. You can see widgets will not work in here, and on the second page maybe. Okay. Are you kidding me? Wow, that was annoying. Okay, let's see, do we have anything that I can showcase right here? Nope. So it looks like all the applications that are present on this device will work right now, but I believe if you find some applications that wouldn't work, they would be grayed out, and if you try to open them up, it would give you a pop-up letting you know that downloaded applications are not available to you in safe mode. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, hold your power button and select restart. When the device reboots, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.